Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have another unboxing. It's gonna be 3 unboxings in this video, just something so that I can catch up with the albums that I've been getting. So here I have Chungha's and I have the off version. I have the Boyz Bloom Bloom album and I do have both versions of that. And we're just gonna start off with Chungha's album first. How the cover looks like, the front. Again, I have the off version. This is the back. It's the track list in the middle. And the top and bottom. Okay. Oh, it opens with a magnetic clasp. I like that. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. I think everything just slides out. Yep. Alright, the CD's in here. Let's look at the photo book first. Oh, I see. Oh, she's so pretty. I like how cozy these pictures look. Very simple. She looks so relaxed. She's so cute. Like, look at that. Ooh, this is a nice black and white picture of her. Oh, very nice. Oh, and there's a dog. I wonder if that's her dog. I know she has a dog. Oh, there's a bunch of dogs in the picture. Oh gosh, so cute. Ooh, outfit change. She's outdoors now. Oh, these are so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's so cute. That looks so cozy. I'll just snuggled up in bed. And another outfit change. Oh, she is precious. Like, look at that. And this album is on fire. I love all the songs. Oh, sorry about that. I love all the songs. Roller Coaster, hands down, is my favorite title track from her. I can listen to that song all day, every day. Okay, it's the photo book, and then if you open this up, you get a picture of her lying down. Okay. And then let's take a look at the CD and the photo card. Oh, she is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. She's gorgeous. And then that's her little message on the back. 2018. Oh, is this a bookmark? Yeah. Bookmark. And then a little postcard. This might be random too, actually. It's really cute. Green trench coat. And then, ooh, a bigger postcard. This one's gorgeous. Like this. Just like laying down. So pretty. And then that's the CD right here. Of her feet. Okay, we're gonna move on to the Boyz album. Here's the CD, and this one is the Bloom version. That's really pretty. I like all the flowers. Bloom Bloom is one of my favorite title tracks from this group. I think it's so catchy. Oh my gosh, okay, the photo card's like right there. Let's see if I could take it out without me looking at it. Okay, I didn't see it. Oh my gosh, okay, there's something else back here. Take that out, okay. And there's something else back here. Okay, wow, I have to take out a lot of things. Okay, so let's just look at the photo book first. This is Bloom Bloom, the Boyz. This blue shade is beautiful. Oh, Hanyeon, so cute. His orange hair really pops. We get Kevin. Looking good. NJ. Chung. Wow, the visuals. Truly. Ooh, Sungwoo. He looks really good this comeback too, actually. Oh. Wonhoon, such a visual. I like his blazer. Those stripes are good on him. And Hwal. Oh, I miss Hwal so much. And then Sunyeon. That's adorable. Let's do this. We get Nu. Nu has the same exact hair color as Q. It's so similar. I have Jacob. I love Jacob. Such a sweetie pie. Let's see, Eric. I like his hat. It's very nice yellow. Ooh, this group shot's really good. Another group shot. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, these pictures are nice too. I like the background that they're in. Very nice. Ooh, all this denim though. I love denim. Like denim jackets. Oh, yeah. Like, look at that styling. Ooh, very nice. He gets a darker denim. Jacob, oh, so cute. Blonde hair suits Jacob so well. I love it. Ooh, okay, wow. Like, look at that. Denim on denim on denim. The styling is just great. Everything just pops so well. Let's see, we're coming to the end, actually. Oh, we get the lyrics. And credits. Oh, and that's it. Okay, so let's see who I pulled. So there was this, and there was like stickers. Oh yeah, I could probably look at this. So these are stickers. Very nice. All the members' names. That's good. And then there was this. It's like a card. Oh, that's so cute. Oh wow. It's a pop-up? Yes, it is a pop-up. Here, hold on. But look, it's like all the boys, and then their messages that they wrote. Super cute. And then there's a member, big member card under here. Let's see what I got. Hanjae! Okay, I thought I got him because I saw his name right before I turned it. Yeah, the bee. Bloom Bloom Pow. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. Hanjae. I pull Hanjae a lot, actually. He loves me. Who's my photo card? Oh, it says their name on the back. I got Hanyeon. Hanyeon. Oh, he's so cute. This is my first ever Hanyeon pull. Oh, it's so cute. He's doing like a peace sign. Okay, awesome. Go on to the second version. The front is a nice yellow. This is the heart version of Bloom Bloom. Very similar to the Bloom version, except that it's yellow. Very nice. Okay, let me just take out all my pulls first. Here's the CD. Oh, it's a pretty yellow color. That's very nice. Such a nice shade of yellow. Great for the spring and summer, actually. And the photo book. Bloom Bloom. Okay. Oh, it's cute. Is that a sandwich? A flower sandwich? That's something else. Oh, so cute. Okay, this version is adorable. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it, even though I just started this unboxing. I think this might be my favorite version. Oh my gosh, they look so good. Look at all these like pastel colors on the. It is a flower sandwich. Oh, I'm dead. Oh Oh my gosh, pastels look so good on Eric. Look at that. Sonia, oh, that is so cute. Is that macarons? Oh, I can't. Looks so good. This is definitely my favorite version. They just look so soft. I'm a sucker for pastel colors too. And Hoon being a flower, like he should. Oh, wow. All that plaid though. I love that lollipop. Oh, so cute. Is that lemonade? I love lemonade. Sanu. Yeah. This version is so pretty. Like, look at those flowers. They all get different flowers too to hold. Oh, cute. Oh, so cute. Ooh, Hanji. Oh, the beret looks good on him. This is like arts and crafts at the table. This photo shoot is so aesthetically pleasing for me. Like so many bright like colors mixed with pastels, and there's like plaids, flowers. It's just very well done. Just nothing much. Just holding. I know it's not a beaker. I just don't know what those are called. Flasks? I know it's not a flask. Oh, that outfit is so trippy. Plaid, black and white. Oh, this outfit is even more trippier. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Solid colors, plaid polka dots, text. Oh my gosh. Oh, and that's it. And we'll get the lyrics again. Gonna get the credits. Well, that was nice. Let's see who I pulled. This is that pop-up card again. Oh, it's this way. Ooh, nice. Look. There we go. Nice group shot. Get their messages again. It might be the same messages. Pretty. And then we also get the stickers again. Very nice. What did I get for this? Let's see. I got Kevin! Oh, such a sweetie pie. What does it say? Will dream? Oh, that's so sweet. And then this is his message. His handwriting is so pretty. Okay. And then who did I get for my poll? Let's see. Oh yeah, their names are on the back, so maybe I should cover the name. Be surprised. Oh, I got Sangwoo. Oh wow, he looks good. Sangwoo. Okay guys, this was an unboxing of the Boyz and Chungha's albums. I really enjoyed myself, and I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.